Due to the global COVID-19 pandemic, which has affected the economy of the world, the government of Ghana, to curb the spread, imposed a lockdown on 2 regions on March 29, 2020. One of the major effects of the lockdown was hunger, especially among the less privileged in the society. The homeless, menial workers, petty traders, porters popularly known as Kayayo, as well as street beggars were suffering because of the lack of money and food as a result of the lockdown, which left streets semi-empty and commercial businesses shut down. To help alleviate the sufferings of the people, on Saturday, April 18, 2020, His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu, the King of the Igbo community in Ghana, his wife Ugweze Liberty Ihenetu, and his royal household distributed food items to the needy in his neighborhood of East Legon in Accra, Ghana. This was done under the auspices of the Eze Igbo Ghana Foundation Feeding the Hungry project.
I think the presence of Ghana Police here. Yeah. May God bless you for coming in Jesus' name. By the special grace of God, this is a time we must show love to each other. A lot of people have been coming here. We'll be supporting the best we can. Those who send mobile money and in so many ways. And this is where we live. We must recognize those that are living around us here. So by the grace of God, we decided to share rice and share oil and water to those that are in need of this. I know everybody is in need. Please, you manage it. Whatever that get to you, you manage it. As time go on, we'll keep supporting everybody. God bless you in Jesus' name.
Enti kakra yesusu ye betimi dia boy eni mu neti area ha enti e was say yes obi be say azmo fi oye this is our home and e fi esuni ha enti e was say di ka boa omo ani omo ti ha asa na ebe pia bontin a e pia bontin e say ejembro mu na mbedi kan aba asa na obi e pia bontin aba be so yemu enti kakra e di be mamu no mu so mu sa amaye emremu nim say lockdown ye nya entwa so emremu no.
The Eze Igbo Ghana Foundation is the initiative of His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Ihenetu, the King of the Igbo community in Ghana. Since inception in 2014, the foundation has been involved in providing social amenities for some communities in Ghana. Some of these projects include digging of boreholes, provision of public places of convenience, and payment of school fees for the less privileged, among others. Hundreds of people converged to receive the relief items. The recipients expressed gratitude to the king and his family for the kind gesture.